Welcome to Dipansh video time, and this names a series. So in today's video we are going to be creating level change and the shurikens. So I hope you're ready because we are getting started. Okay, so first rename your levels to level 1 and level 2. Then let's make a variable called level, its skill. So name your levels to level 1 and 2 and then create a variable called level. So when green flag clicked, I'll set level to 1. Then forever, switch costume to level. Now, in the ninja sprite, we'll have an if block for checking if our exposition is greater than 226. Then, we'll change level by 1 and call up the second block. This is just a block that I made, so we'll just have some easier code. Okay, let's check this out. So our level is 1 right now. If I take it, we can take the katana and we can, swing it. We go there, see that? Boom. We can go like that. Boom. So we can go to the next level. See, this will be quite fun, right? Okay, now what if we want to go back to level 1? Just perhaps if you want, you can check if level is lesser than negative 226, then we can just go to their position. Negative 226, change level by negative 1, but instead of this setup, we will just go over here, but well, we will now do some changes. So we will call this edit. Okay, now first setup X. The X will be over here. X label of Y. So label of Y. An input of Y. And an input of Y. But the rest can be the same to run without screen. Okay, this will be X and this will be Y. Now, first we need to set it to the position it was before. So X of negative 183 and a Y of negative 20. I put the X over here and put the Y over there. What was the Y? Negative 20. Okay, so great. Here we will put the same position. So negative 183 and negative 20, like it is now, negative 183 and negative 20. But here, I'll set this to 183 to 183 and this to be 20 to make it a little bit higher. Okay, so yeah, it works. Good. So now let's add the shurikens because we have only used 4 minutes to build this cool thing. Okay, let's make a variable called weapon type. Weapon type. Okay, let's go to this katana, this war, and check an if else. Okay, an if else. So if weapons type is equal to sword, then we'll do all this. So here, first we'll set weapon type to no weapon. Set weapon type to no weapon. I'll just take at the level for now. So when the game starts, it's no weapon. But touching this will set weapon type to be sword. To sword. And yes, the weapon type is sword. Okay, so here for on the top we also need to show it. So let's show it. Well, we're already showing it, so we can take it out. And in the below, we'll hide it. Then we just set the white to be somewhere off high enough so we can't take it. So like 200 of white. So here, but if I take this out, like set weapon type to 0, it's gone. Okay, so that's great. Then we can take out the shurikens in. Now, here let's put the one green flag lid. First, I will hide the shuriken. So hide. Then, forever, if level is equal to 2. Because we only wanted to show it in certain levels, right? If level is equal to 2, then show. Let's try that. The game starts, the shuriken is not there. Then the ninja is saying, where are you, shuriken? Ooh, katana, let me use this. Then it uses it. Then if we go there, we find the shuriken. Now, here we put if touching player. So if suddenly we are like touching the player somehow, then we will set weapon type to shuriken. Ninja star. Set weapon type to ninja star. Ninja star. Oops. Hmm. Okay, so here I just found out that it's happening like we're going to that level. So we can just put a whole long block so we won't be able to go to the previous level like that. Okay. Okay, so now we need to set this color, the color of this. Yeah, now it's working. Perfect. If I take it, we go here. Nothing is happening. Why is it not happening anything? Okay, let's check it out. We're setting it to weapon type. Hmm. Okay, it's because we're setting it to if touching strike 2. So we have to set it to touching strike 2, right? We can go again. Yeah, our sword is gone. That's good. Now let's put in player script. In player. Not run without screen refresh. Put the in player block in there. So first we will hide. Then we will forever go to player. So then forever we will put a go to player block. Okay, so after the go to player block, we will add a pointing direction of player. Okay, now we will check this. So if key space pressed, repeat until touching edge or touching sprite 1, move 10 steps. Okay, so let's check it out. I'll take this. Oh yes, I forgot. We'll need to show it. Okay, now infinite shurikens. And that's also not good, right? Okay, now let's put shurikens got. So shurikens got. Hmm? Oh, I think I have to. Shurikens got. Hmm. Wait a second. Let's just save it now. And we start it. So let's just see. Yes, shurikens got it. So shurikens got by 1. So first set shurikens got to 0. But then here change shurikens got by 1. Here change shurikens got by -1. Here. So if I get it now, so shurikens got is equal to 0. Now shuriken got is 1. You can throw it. And yeah, it just decreases. And we need to decrease it if we touch the key space. Right? Yeah. So if I just wait a second. Oh yeah. That shurikens got to 0. And now it will hide. What if the level is still need to show? Something is not working here. Let's see. Or is just my computer lag? Then shurikens got 1. Shurikens got 0. And we'll have this again. But the weapon type is set Ninja Star. Something good is not happening. I got shurikens 1. Hmm. Hmm. It will show. Put the show over there. Then hide. To win level 2. Okay. Okay, so yeah, now it's working. But when it's in the player, we'll not need it to show. Okay, so something is wrong. When it touches the player, it goes back. Okay. Okay, yeah. So I found it out. Why it's happening like this. So now I'll put it to if touching those, then hide. So if I go get it again, if I shoot one, yep, it's a hide. Okay. Now, next thing. I'll check this only if shuriken got is equal to 0. So I can't show any more shurikens after I do this. Now see the shuriken's god is getting haywire. So how do we change that? Now we'll also actually need to do all of this if shuriken god is equal to 0. So now if we check it out and take a shuriken, it's still not working. So let's check it out. If shuriken's god is greater than 0, it should work. So only if shuriken's god is greater than 0, shoot it, yeah, then no more shurikens are coming. So yeah, everything done. Now what if we want double shurikens in a place? So if level 2, we can like first show this and then make it go to a position over here because I like it. So we can go to this position. If level 2, will also create a clone of myself here. And then when it starts as a clone, we can go to a position somewhere like that. So go to this place and then we can put all of this there. So in the if touching sprite 2, that, and then we can put in play block. Okay, so let's hide it. So right now I have in shurikens of 1. Now we can't take the other one. Okay, I forgot. We need a forever block. But can it even touch a clone? So if I take it, finally, so if I take it and then take the 2 shurikens, what? 35 shurikens? Okay, now both of them are going in there. Okay, so how do we change it to only one shuriken to go in one? So, okay, here we're having these that we're showing and both of them are going in the same time, right? Well, we can make one not to go at one time. So how do we make it to go like that? Because if it goes both in one time, how are we like gonna shoot the enemies if there are 2 enemies? Oh, we'll have to use a katana, but yeah, that won't work. So how will we do it? Okay, so we're only putting to here, right? When shuriken, when shuriken, shuriken. So here, I'll put here, I'll put uh shuriken number, shuriken number. Okay, so here I'll set shuriken number to 2. So set shuriken number to 2. And for this one, I'll set shuriken number to 1. Now, if shuriken number is equal to 1, shuriken number is equal to 1. Now, if I do it, if I press space, It's not working. Okay. Because shuriken number is equal to 2, right? Okay. So, we'll need another way. But still with the shuriken number. So, now shuriken number is equal to 2, right? But then we have to put it to an index of the shuriken. So shuriken number is an index of the shuriken, right? Yes. The shuriken number is basically the index of the main shuriken. So let's find a way to find out if the shuriken number is equal to 1. So if the shuriken number is equal to 1, the only thing that we can do is do that. Shuriken's got by -1, right? So if I find a way to one shuriken, one shuriken. It's only shooting one shuriken. But then we can't shoot another one. Why is that? Well, we got one shuriken. Okay. Okay. In player. One should be definitely hiding. Not all clones work. But we don't need to set the weapon type to Ninja Star, but we have to. Level 2, Kilo Ray clone of myself. And both of them are running in the same script. I duplicate this. I duplicate. Don't need to duplicate. Okay. This one is quite tricky. Okay, so I can't find the bug right now, but yeah. So I'll find the bug and then I will tell you how to fix it in the next video. So please like and subscribe. Until next time, the Dipansh video time is out.